Hey guys, I'm Ryan. I've been hacking things my whole life. I'm trying to lift this huge butcher block because today we are going to be making a butcher block table with much bigger butcher block than this with steel pipe, just like in the game Clue. This is actually a smaller one. I cut all these down from a huge sheet of, I think it was 4x6. It was heavy as a witch's left leg. And you have to put 4 of these in each one of what is a witch's right leg? All right, 12 of these flanges in each corner. Well, these flanges are not exactly silver, so I went ahead to the local hardware store and I bought they had one package left of black screws. They don't make black screws.
Hey, I got a confession. Been losing all momentum. Just because it's easy, but that don't make it better. I wanna dig my hands deep down in the dirt. Take a walk along the street if I'm feeling dessert. All of this convenience just doesn't work for me. I wanna play with fire, let me get hurt. Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. Oh, I miss the summers with you and never swipe left to right. Ah, snuck in your window, no friend request, no, just spent the night. I had to walk right up to your locker and risk you saying, boy, just don't bother. I know this all just makes me sound ancient, but sons and daughters, that shit was amazing. Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean.
I had to stop for a second because with all my shenanigans, because if I go ahead and put those flanges on every one of the 3 sides, I won't be able to screw it on. So the last part is the top that I need to screw from below. So I went ahead and piloted all the holes, but I have to screw this in first and then secure it to the top after it's all done, because the way that these thread in, it just has to work. Just watch and see. I'm gonna put that back up on the table because I gotta see whether or not I have any drips. That thing is unbelievably heavy. I may have been off on the leg height, but luckily I can just add new extensions if I want inside of the design. But if you watch this long, man, I love you. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Peace out. Love you. Bye.